I got a 5 billion check from PAGCOR. And well, half of it or binigay ko kay, well, of course, it's Miss Secretary Tigualo or yung sa DSWD or whatever, yung sa health, si Miss Ubial, that ibigay ko sa inyo, and I want every Filipino holding a resita of a doctor and could not find the money to buy the medicines. Sabi ko, ibigay ninyo yung 2 billion na yan this Christmas. We're gonna, ma'am, inyo na to, just see to it that it is not, the money is not lost along the way, that no corruption will take place. I am willing to, sabi ko, itong 2 billion, yun na yan. At ibigay ko sa inyo, lahat ng Pilipino nakikinig kayo. It's just, I think I got the check somewhere, sometime 4 days ago. And by this time, it should be ready for assistance. So, kayong Pilipinas nakikinig sa akin ngayon. May mga resita kayo, go to the DSSD or hanapin mo ang inyong city health or the hospital itself. And we will buy the medicines for you.